Are you tired of being stuck in traffic, going to and from work, getting annoyed over parking spots, or just being overall bored in your vehicle? If your brain immediately said yes, you might be in need of a track day, or at the very least, to rejuvenate the relationship between you and your vehicle via your local autocross organization. All right, that was course walk for the second round of the SCCA autocross over at Phoenix Raceway. So we're about to start now. I'm in grid A, which I'll be going first. So I need to unpack the car and get everything ready. Here we go. Just finished up, and best time of my runs was a 49, I believe. 53 down to 49, so not bad. Gotta go grab my camera before somebody steals it.